Hi everyone, I'm here for another layout, and this one, the layout before was me, Mateo, and Coco in the car headed to the park, and this one is us at the park. So I'm going to have my background is going to be background Vicky Booten color kaleidoscope called Side Note. It looks like ledger paper, and then the photo mats are going to be pink, or no, sorry, yellow um, basil cardstock. And then all my paper layers are going to be from the May kit. You see me cutting that one down. Coco loves, we love going to this park to take walks. Haven't gone in a long time, so we just walk around our neighborhood, so I need to take her. Back layer again. Oh, that was pink. Sorry, I'm sorting my Smarties. I gotta sort them by color. Mm. So my circles are cut from pink basil cardstock. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, sir. Here. You can have this one because there's actually 3. So it's an odd number. Here, try it. See? I knew you weren't going to like it anyway. Butthead. So I'm going to use See the World, which is going to serve as my title. And it's going to come, and it is from American Crafts Sparkle Thickers, which came in the kit. I'm going to use for embellishments in a minute. What I did is, as I was working on it, Vicky Booten has a lot of large butterflies, large flowers. I was like, where am I going to use these? So what I did, oh cool, now I have 2 input green there, so there's a bigger separation between them. So I was like, where am I going to use these? And I remembered I have pictures of Coco on the walk at the park. So I put them to the side, and this is where I'm going to use them all. And I mean, I used every flower, every butterfly, every leaf or stem. So this one is definitely embellishment heavy. Oh, I also use the clouds. Man, these squirrels eat all day long. I saw the cardinal when I went to the kitchen to get some water. I saw my cardinals in the back. So they will see that both bird feeders are back there. Hopefully my wren has a nest in my ivy on my front porch hanging. Her go-to was the suet, which I need to make more. I do. I have all this stuff to make more. I should go ahead and go do that. Anyway, and her go-to was a suet, and since I'm out of suet, the bird feeder out here in the front, so I'm hoping she will figure out to go to the back. Need to get suet from my woodpeckers. They disappeared. So I'm hoping I can attract them back again. Oh, anyway, talking about birds because I'm looking out the window. Sorry. So all these die cuts are Vicky Boughton, which I mentioned earlier, so nothing new there. I am going to use some chipboard stickers, which are the American Crafts Hello Friend thickers. Otherwise, that is pretty much all I need to say for this layout. Everything's there. I need to get some more water. Wasn't full, I just drank what I had left from yesterday. Oh my God, I can't stay quiet. He's watching TV and making a noise. He's watching Level 1, which is Think Noodle from YouTube. Just people playing video games. I'm only letting him do that because I am doing process videos, so keeps him entertained and out of my hair for a little bit so I can get this done. Otherwise, I have to entertain him, and I don't want to right now. So, boy will be boy. I tell you what, I need to have a baby so he can have someone to play with because he gets on my nerves. Sometimes, not all the time, but it's like, oh, he's just always there. Oh. So anyway, it is. It's always just me and him, me and him, me and him. Even if his dad's here, he's with me. Anyway, so that is going to pretty much complete my layout once I get my title stuck down. So when I have more done, I'll certainly be back with those if you would like. If you would, subscribe to my channel. I'm looking to get 1,000 subscribers so I can remonetize my videos to help fund my classroom. Anyway, so when I have more done, I will certainly be back with those. And Patton says hi and bye as well. Bye.